Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about GST. GST means goods and service tax. This is indirect tax. Indirect tax means the tax is levied on items the consumer or customer don't know how much tax has been deducted from our purchase. Before going to the topic, we are also going to learn few other topics like constitutional body and statutory body and executive body, because GST is a constitutional body. Constitutional body means the constitution backing the GST, so that nobody can repeal this body without any constitutional amendment. This constitutional body made with the Constitutional Amendment Act, Constitutional Amendment 101. This made a correction in the Constitution which exists 279A. Under Constitution Article 279A, GST is levied as an indirect tax. Now we are going to learn about statutory body. Statutory body means which is a body by making a law in the parliament, and other one is executive body. Executive body means an executive order made so that the body will be established. There is no backing, there is no law backing to the executive body. For example, planning commission. The planning commission was replaced by the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog. Now we are moving to the topic. GST is a indirect tax. Already we have discussed about this. This is also technically driven tax system. Nobody can escape from the paying the tax to the government. Someone who wishes to start a business, they have to get a GST number, which is like a Aadhaar number. There are three components of GST. First one is CGST, SGST and IGST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST means State Goods and Service Tax, and IGST means Integrated Goods and Service Tax. Before going to these topics, we are going to learn about what are the slabs which GST applies. There are 5 slabs: 0, 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. These are the slabs of GST. Now we are learning about CGST. What is meant by CGST? CGST is collected by the central government in the intra-sale transaction. Intra-sale means within the state. Intrastate transactions. This means the transaction is going to within the state and collected by the central government. For example, if I purchase an item with the slab of 12% of GST, 12% of GST. In this GST, 6% is going to central government and 6% is going to the state government. The tax collected by the central government is called as CGST. At the same time, the state also collects some percentage of GST. This is called as state GST, states goods and service tax. This is also intrastate sale transaction. Just remember, intrastate sale transaction. So this slab divides into two parts. In the intra-sale transactions, one of the part goes to the central government. This is called as CGST, and other part of this tax 6% is going to the state government. This is called as state goods and service tax. And other one is IGST. IGST means integrated goods and service tax. Integrated goods and service tax. Integrated means integrating something. This is integrating the states. So the item is sold with the interstate transaction. Interstate means, for example, an item is made within the state of Gujarat and exported to the Andhra Pradesh. When the item is or good is exported to the AP, here some percentage of, for example, 18% of GST is imposed on it. Then the total GST is going to the center. This is collected by the center. This is called IGST. After that, the central government pay half of the percentage, that means 9% to the imported state, that means AP. This is called IGST. IGST means integrated goods and service tax. Other example of IGST, here you can see an illustration. A dealer sold an item to the Punjab worth of 50,000. A dealer belongs to the Gujarat. He sold an item cost of 50,000. Here GST is 18%. Then the 18% means in 50,000 is 9,000. This revenue goes to the central government. But within the 9,000, 4,500 goes to the Punjab, because Punjab is the imported state. Imported state means the item was imported by the Punjab. And other examples of CGST and SGST. A dealer within the same state of Gujarat sold an item of 50,000. This is called intrastate. Intrastate means within the state. This is slab of 12%. In this 12%, 6% goes to the CGST and the 6% goes to the respected state, that means Gujarat. This is about GST. Thank you.